All right, we back. This session, I want to do a back testing session, just to work on getting more data. And since I'm trading futures now, I still trade forex as well, but mostly focus on futures props going towards 2026. Um, Learning from a new trader that's big in the industry of futures trading, and just taking it day by day, and especially with futures. My trading strategy in forex don't necessarily work with futures, just because it's like intraday to like intra week. So sometimes the trades might hold throughout the week, depending on what the market is just give me. But this strategy that I've been learning um, has been pretty well. It's opening my eyes too, and I'll be able to like you know boil my strategy a lot more down, have a better strike rate. As you can see, my win rate is terrible right now, which is fine, but I'm still working on it. I just barely started learning this probably within the last month, and since I learned it so quickly, and I'm not all the way there, of course, but of course I passed my first funded account, which is good. Unfortunately, blew it bad due to bad risk management, and which is crazy. My win rate was around the same as this during the challenge, so that's one thing I want to improve on. But just want to be able to break it down and show you the ins and outs of trading and stuff like that. But that don't mean I'm gonna stop it because I fucking lost a funded account. It's just the game. It's just business at the end of the day. So basically, I'm gonna do another back testing session. Um, we're gonna do NQ and then ES. Just keeping it real poised. 150k accounts. I'm gonna eventually scale to 150k accounts, and then just keep going. NQ growth. I want to do a random month instead of me just picking a month, because I did a lot of months already, and I already like pretty much seen some of the content and some of the trades that happen now. Even though I'm not fully all the way there within the strategy, I'm just trying to work on my win rate and be able to have a profitable month. Even if it's not all the way up to a 10% balance. Even if I get 5%, that's still good for me. Especially on the 150k accounts, that's good money. All I gotta do is be able to focus on taking care of my discretionary and then focus on aligning my setup correctly. Alright, so I'm gonna type in ChatGPT, random month and random year. Nope. I should have said random month. Random. It gave me September 2030, 31. Nigga, we not even in 2030 yet. Let me see, from 2014 to 2020. Okay, they gave me April. Hopefully y'all can see that. April 2018. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna trade April from 2018 and then see what I can do. Alright, Sunday. 2018 is over here. April. So April 30th. Alright, guys. So we got everything right. Alright, let's go. Okay. Load up FX replay. Alright, now let's put ES right here. Both sides, side by side. Alright. One thing I'm going to do though is hide these little background post hour chart things. Don't like seeing that on my chart. And then we're going to delete the volume estimate. Same thing with ES. Okay, now delete the volume. Okay. Alright, so this is a Sunday. Typically I would skip this day just because it's market open. There's really nothing on here. Mondays don't trade unless there's news. And there is news, so I'm going to let this play out and see what I can see. If we can get an opportunity to a draw or any type of level. See the daily. Nothing too major on the higher time frames here. 4 hour. See that we're in a 4 hour gap right here, but I'm going to mark out this low and this high. Going in towards Monday, trading Mondays with news. I don't trade no news Mondays. Only Mondays that have news playing out. Just back testing and seeing that, and looking at my past couple months I did. And this is just one FX replay account. I got like a bunch of them just to use a free trial instead of me paying $30 a month. Eventually I'm gonna buy it, but right now I'm not really focused on it. Okay, so just see these levels. Let's look at ES. ES is already in that 4 hour gap, so if we do expand higher, which would be fine too. Alright, so now let's drop down to the 1 minute. 5, drop down to the 1 minute, and then we're gonna skip some candlesticks. Market opens at 6:30, so I'm gonna skip until 6:30. 6:30 is right here, next candlestick. Okay, we went lower. Yes, swept this low. We just sweep it L, and Q. Okay, we just flip biases higher. Let's see where we go. Is there any draws up here? Major draws. Maybe this 1 hour gap too, just because of all this trend line liquidity. But we'll see whenever we get closer towards news. I don't see no trades here, of course. We're just gonna keep playing out candlesticks. We're just ranging lower. Okay, we're going lower. News is in about 5 minutes. Let's see what happens when we get to news. Any 5-minute displacement? No, nothing too crazy. Got the 1 minute. Okay, news got tapped. Okay, we look like we're going to go lower towards that level. 15 minute, 1 minute, 1 hour. ES. We're just dumping on ES. 1 minute. No SMT, no SMT. So I'm gonna keep playing out candlesticks to see what we do. Okay. We look like we're gonna go to that draw liquidity lower to here. This news is already smacked that low, and I don't see no levels where we can buy from. 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. Is there a 3 minute gap? There is a 3 minute gap. Price rejected from it. It's a small gap though, very small gap. Very gap. I like the displacement candlestick. Is there anything over here that will invert my trade? Nothing too major. I will take this just because of displacement, and let's see the risk to reward. We're trending lower too, so it makes a lot of sense why I would take this already. It might, if it fumbles, it fumbles. Why is he doing? People got their cars is hella loud for no reason. All right, let's see. Fucking bug. All right. Alright, so this is a 1 to 2. Is it a 1 to 2? Yeah. There's no room for me to go break even here, so I'm gonna have to just let price play out. Either I take a loss or I take a win. It's just business at the end of the day. I just like this displacement though. We're going lower, and this is my draw liquidity right here. So let's see if we can get some. Let's see if we can get something here. Alright, so order. I'm gonna risk 0.70, which is. Instead of 1%, I could go for 1%, but I'm just gonna do 0.70, which is 1050. Not bad. Let's just see if we can get some displacement here, and let's play it out. I don't like how long it's taking. This is taking forever. Now, right here, I'm going to go break even because you see that price came back into it, and this was another displacement candlestick where price displaced. If I was look at the 5 minute, it probably was a 5 minute gap in there. Not really. 3 minute is 3 minute gap, but I'm going to go break even here just because price should hit that draw liquidity, take out this low, and then run to them lows. There we go. Good trade. Good trade. Now the reasoning behind this, I held without going break even too early. This was kind of suspect because we were chopping around for too fucking long. Really didn't like that, but it is what it is. I'm not trying to be perfect here, you know. I'm just trying to like be more consistent so I can be able to trade these lower time frames, because this is something new for me. Trading these lower time frames with the 1 minute, and it'd be more discretionary and to stick with it. Because my forex strategy, I would trade 15 minutes and look on the 15-minute time frame. I would enter off of, but target higher, like higher liquidity, like the 1 hour, 4 hour, possibly even a daily. So that was a good one right there. That was a good one. So you see that we took out that low. Price was just ready to go and explode. All right, so that was a good one. I'll take that. And then this displacement 3-minute gap. Price was just ranging here, and then this displacement candlestick. I just seeing my eyes trained over it so many times, and then watching my boy AB, the way he trades within his strategy. So just taking it day by day. And I'm giving all credit to AB because this is how he trades, and I'm just learning how he trades, you know, which is smooth. All right, move drawings, go to the next day. And that was a Monday. Normally I do not trade Mondays, like I said. So I'm trying to skim through this, not too fast, but pretty smooth, you know. Okay, so yes, let's see what the FAR looks like. Yes, as well. Price is going back up into the gap. This 4 hours, a daily 4 hour right here. Inside this gap. We're extremely bearish, and this is 2018. I wasn't trading NQ. I wasn't even trading 2018. I didn't start trading until 2019, but I was trading forex. There's a 1 hour unfilled gap here too, so we're just gonna let price play out. There's news. What day is this news on? That's on Friday, so we got time. We got time. All right, now let's go to the 1 minute on NQ. Can I reset the chart? No, I can't. Okay, cool. Whatever. All right, let's play these candlesticks out though until we get to 6:30. Okay, 6:30 open was right here. Now let's see if we displace lower or go higher. Okay, like we're going higher. Any gaps? Or if we're inside this 15-minute gap. One thing I don't like doing is trading directly off a 6:30 market open. Especially because I'm just learning this strategy and I'm new to it, and especially being new to trading NQ. I traded SPX for years, but that was with forex, and then I had like the higher time frame draw, so and higher time frame entry, so I wouldn't be like so my stop wouldn't be so tight, you know. But we're inside this 1 hour gap, which is very skeptical. I would wait for some more confirmation, so I'm gonna wait before taking an entry off here. Okay, see, that was a fake out. Any SMT? I can say this is SMT, but I just wonder if it's gonna be a strong SMT. This high to this high on NQ, on ES and NQ, and then plus we took out stops already. We took out these highs right here, if you can see. Not trying to overcomplicate it and make it too much, you know, freaking in our brain, and make it very, you know, difficult, especially when we're inside this 1 hour gap. That's the reason why. Oh, look at this. We got this 1 hour gap right here too. I forgot to target that. Alright, so let's see if we can get to that draw liquidity. I love this displacement candlestick right here inside this 1 hour. I mean, it's 1 minute. But I just wonder if it's strong enough. If I see another displacement candlestick, I'll probably take it. Okay, I'm taking it. And with this, I'm going to risk 101. Not going to do too much. Just because there's no like, there's no what's it called here, and I'm only gonna take one trade per session. One thing about my win rate is so low, I take 2 trades, and if I take 2 trades, I freaking end up losing it. So I'll just rather take 1 trade. I'm targeting this H1 fair value gap, seeing price fill this void in some more, and then hopefully this SMT is strong, which I pretty assume it is. And this time right here is it's 15 minutes after the market open, which is good. I like to take my trades 15 minutes after market open. That's why you didn't see me take this buy here, just because it was displacing. I'm like, let me give it some more time and more room. So I'm going to take this, and yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look, we came into this 3-minute gap too right here. It wasn't nothing on the 5-minute, which is all right, but I like this. Let's go. And then if it gets to here and starts stalling out, I'm going to go break even, honestly. Oh, we smashed it. Perfect. That was good. Not gonna lie to you, that was good. Okay, so, but breaking down why I took the setup, again, let's see if we run lower to that low. Nah, choppy now. Price made a V shape, so now it's looking towards to probably rebalance and go back up this here. But the reason why I took this setup was because of majorly, market open jumped, took out this high, and then created this, liquidity sweep right here, and then started rolling over. And then SMT did the same exact. I mean, ES did the same thing, but instead of ES doing what NQ did, ES took the high, came back lower, and then took that other high above the SMT, which caused the SMT to be very strong. So as you can see right here, this was the high that was taken on both assets that took the high, and then price instantly started selling off on NQ, while ES was making a higher high or a lower high, if you want to make it make sense. So price was going lower, and then eventually it went higher to drop lower. So that was very strong. And then targeting this 1 hour gap locally. Thank God I seen this 1 hour gap before targeting this low, because that would have been a lot of points, honestly, a lot of points. In my top, I only targeted 100 points, which is pretty small. It was a 1-to-1, so 100 point stop loss for 100 point win. And I was being very picky with my setup just because of this. But if I would have seen a 3-minute, I would have took it like a lot quicker. All right, let's skip this. Now go to remove my drawings and go to the next day. Let's see, on a 4-hour higher time frame, draw liquidity prices is extremely bearish in 2018. Okay, very mind-blowing, which I wasn't. But then again, I was expecting it, because the price didn't really shoot up till like after 2021, 2022. Going into towards 2023, that's whenever we took our all-time highs. But NQ at 6,000 is crazy. And I just barely started trading NQ this year, so I'm not going to give myself too much slack, too much grace, and see what we can do. I see this low here. How many points is it from this low to this low though? 187 points. We possibly can get there at a daily time frame. Maybe. Let's see what the far look on ES. Same type deal. Just ES didn't take out that low. NQ did. See the 1 hour, see if there's any targets on the 1 hour. Price got into the gap. We got this gap right here. Let's see if we can create any type of displacement up to come down, but we'll see. Just instead of me like trying to, predict price, I'd just rather trade what price gives me. 6:30 is right here. We got like a couple more minutes. We got 2 minutes. Okay. Drop down to 1 minute on NQ. Yes. Okay, let's see. 1 hour. There's a 5-minute gap here, but I'll just be a little more discretionary here. Okay. Price might go to that draw. This looks good, but like I said, I don't like taking trades that just instantly jump from what's it called. And I'm willing to miss a trade if it hits my draw and there's no other obvious draw. I will not take the trade. But one thing that I do like about the setup, see if there's SMT. No really SMT I'm seeing here. I like the displacement candlestick off the 1 hour, but I mean a 1 minute. I just don't like that one inside this level, because price might fake a dude out. I'm just gonna wait for extra confirmation. I would take this trade, but just because I'm still learning it and I'm not fully developed there with taking displacement off the 1 minute and trading New York, NQ open at 6:30 exactly, I'll wait. If I miss it, I miss it. Okay, went to the high. We edged it. Or we did take it. We probably did take it. Oh, we took it. Alright, that's cool. I'm not tripping. Let's see. Is there any other draws up here? No massive other draws up here. No, that got a wick on it. Let's see. Could have took that trade, but you know, instead of me trying to jump the gun. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. We might just stall now because we're at this 1 hour gap, and I don't see no definite targets higher. Probably this high, but I wouldn't take it. I'm straight. I'm smooth. Let's see. Well, I could have said we had a trade right here, but I think that there's choppiness, and then plus there was really no targets besides this high. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip today. I probably missed a trade, but it's okay. I'm not tripping. I'm still getting more creating more discretionary in what trades to take versus what trades not to take. Okay. So price did eventually take that high out, which is fine with me. I'm not tripping. What's today? This is a Thursday. No news. Okay, let's see the 4 hour. Ooh, one thing I'm learning from my boy is that I like a lot is to draw liquidities. As you can see, there's a no gap fill wick, and then there's equal highs right here. Well, yeah, price kind of edged it a little bit, but let's see if we can go higher. I like that if we can go higher, but if we do go lower, I still see a target right there, that 4 hour unfilled gap. But since price already tapped into it, and this right here is a strong draw on liquidity, I would like to take it. The daily, 1 hour, yeah, I would like to take it. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get some displacement higher towards that level. That was 6:30. Yeah, 6:30 caused that manipulation. What's this high? Nothing. Okay, look like we're gonna go lower. We're probably rejecting off of this high right here that got hit. I wonder if there was SMT at that high. Nah, not really. We just took it on both assets. Let's see. I'm not gonna take this. I'll be wait for more discretionary trades. 5 minute, 3 minute. Wait some more. Okay, well, we're going to that draw. Let's see. Minute. We're inside this 1 hour gap. I need this SMT. No SMT here. Let's see. Keep playing candlesticks out. Hold on. Let's see what that looked like on the 5 minute. Nothing too massive. 1 hour. We're still in this level. Oh, 15 minute gap. This one thing about this right here, I would need some more confirmation here for me. Okay, I low-key like this. 15 minute, 5 minute. I like this a lot. Okay, I'm going to go short. if we take a loss, it is what it is. It happens. I like that we took that high out in the SMT here. No SMT here. Targeting this low right here. We'll go break even if we take this low right here. Top button high. Alright, so now going down, looking at the time frame, seeing how the 15-minute rejected from this gap, the high was intact. The 1 hour is looking very clean too, to take out this low to go towards this 4-hour gap. And then you've seen that this high was edged around London session, which is okay, which is fine. Not tripping on that, but I'm going to take this. I like this a lot. We'll go break even around this low. Let's see if we get some good movement here. Okay, I'm gonna go break even just because we edged it. Now we should just displace. If we don't, it's a break even trade. Alright, break even trade. It is what it is. Look at that 5-minute. It's all good. See if it plays out. See if it plays out, or we might just be stuck here, and then this draw might not be strong. It might go towards them equal highs up there. Yeah, this is choppy, not gonna lie to you. It's very choppy. Very choppy. Let's see. Yeah, we're stuck. I'll be done trading by this time. I ain't gonna lie to you. From 6:30, I stay in Cali, so from 6:30 to 9:30, I'm done trading. And especially if it's looking like this, that's one thing I've been learning, watching more of my boy videos, and even just back testing a lot. I promise you, I get off work and go straight to back testing if the market is closed. That's why I'm back testing today. As you can see, it's the 22nd. It's a Sunday before the market opens. Well, the market's probably open, but not the NQ market, futures market. Actually, it probably is. All right, we're gonna skip today. Next day, it's a Friday. Let's see if we didn't get to that high yet. We didn't get to that high yet. Perfect. Okay, we got these equal highs still intact. Well, yeah, they're equal highs, relative equal highs, and then we still got this 4-hour gap. It's 100 points away. Let's see what. Yes. Nothing too bad here. I want to make sure my audio is right. I think it is correct. It is connected. Just want to make sure. All right. Okay, so looking at this, you got this low and this high. These are my major draw liquidities because they're equal highs, and then you can see that price didn't get too low, even though it tapped that gap later in the day, which is fine with me. Not tripping. What time is news? I thought it was news on Friday. Is it? Oh, we already had news. 5:30 in FP. It could have been that data high right there, but this is 1 hour. We already took it out though. Okay, let's see. Let's play some candlesticks out. My bad. Got distracted by my phone. Let's see. 6:30s right here. 2 more candlesticks. Okay, we just edged the market. Okay, look like we want to go higher. Okay, we're displacing higher, which is beautiful. Very beautiful, very beautiful. We still got the equal highs right here, so just putting those right there just in case. But really want to see it get to that level. But then again, it's a Friday, not doing too much. But this is 100 points away, so about 110, 120. So let's see if we get some more displacement with a nice clean entry, and I will take it. Can we make some movement? Are we gonna go higher? Are we gonna go lower? Okay, I think we might just go lower. We might want to take out this low. And the reason why I feel like that is because we're inside this 1 hour gap. So I'm just trading what the market gives me versus me trying to take it out. Oh, I forgot there's a data low right here. Wait, no, that's just it. It's mark open. We already took the data low. Oh, I'm just gonna keep playing candlesticks out. We tapped into that 1 hour low right there, which is clean. That 5-minute gap very cleanly we tapped into it. We're trending lower, which I like a lot. Let's see, 5-minute here, 5-minute gap. We rejected cleanly from it too, and this is a nice displacement candlestick. It's a beautiful displacement candlestick. I will take it, and I will go break even here. Let's see. And looking at the time, price is at 8 o'clock, which is not bad. This is pretty good. This would be a 1 to 2, 2.1. Not bad. 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute. Alright, I'm going to take it. I'm going to go break even a little early. Now let's see if we can get some displacement here and play out. Okay, we took it. 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute. Since we took it, but it's so close. I'm gonna break even regardless. Fuck it. We're gonna go break even. Follow your system at all times. Follow your system. Okay. It is what it is. Let's see if we can get another entry. If not, it is what it is. If we're gonna keep going lower. We got back into that 5-minute again. Just one thing I don't like doing is taking multiple trades in a day. I do not. Especially like on a Friday like this. Even though that draw liquidity looks very strong, I don't see no levels where we could. We're inside this 1 hour gap still, but looking at the 4 hour. Yeah. Not too shabby on this one. Let's see. 5-minute here, 1 hour. That draw is very strong. It is very strong. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just don't want to take another entry here. But we rejected cleanly off of that. 15-minute. Looks like it wants to go lower. And just be patient with it. Okay, retrace. 1 minute. I'll take it. Should I take it? I'll just go break even here. But let's see the 5-minute. The 5-minute looks good. It's still in my system. It's still playing out. I like it. I'm gonna take it. And then that trade went break even, so it's not like I took a loss, but it's just very skeptical, you know. The win rate is it's very higher. Still same stop loss. I mean, I wanted to put my stop loss up here, but since we rejected this cleanly, I'm using the same area to put my stops from. That rejection. Break even here, full target at that low. Let's see if we get some movement. If not, it is what it is. If it does some bullshit and come back up, it's the conditions. I'm not a market maker. I knew it. Wow. What the fuck? Now watch me run lower. Oh, never mind. It is what it is. Oh, see, I'm not 100% profitable. I mean, like 100% win rate guy, but I am profitable. I said that wrong. All right, we're going to skip this back. Go to the next session. I knew I should just set that day out. That's why I don't like taking 2 trades in a day. I don't. All right. Monday, no news. No news Mondays. Don't like to trade them. We do have a clean draw liquidity up here. on these equal highs. Let's see what we can do. How many points is that away from though? Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. 200 points on a Monday. Yeah, right. I'm just gonna skip through candlesticks and see if we can get something. If not, but then again, I don't trade those on Mondays. If we start trending higher, then maybe. Like, just start trending higher. We got this high as well. I just don't like trading doing those Mondays. They're very like one-sided, depending on if you're trading off the higher time frame. Because I used to trade ES on a Monday, so I know. But I do not like this choppiness on price. I don't. Okay. It looks like you're making some movement. Never mind. Probably missed a trade right here to target this high. But there's no massive displacement candlestick that's screaming price like. Probably missed one right here. This was nice. Did we type into something? Yeah, this was nice. I just fucking missed it. God damn it. Slow down, Dom. With this right here, I would have took this low stop loss and break even little point right here. Would have did a 101 just because of how price is like very tight. I did this 101 right here. We got to that high. And the reason why I would have took this is because it's 5-minute gap. I should have slowed down. Slow down, bro. Slow down, my boy. This would have been a good trade. Alright. Well, let's see if we gonna go to that unfilled 4-hour gap. Wait, where is it at? The otters removed everything. We still got these equal highs though. Hold on. We still got the equal highs. Let's see. I'm not gonna give up too soon. It's already 9:30 though. I feel like that was the only high that we can take right now. So I'm just gonna skip the day. Okay, we still got the equal highs intact right here with this unfilled gap. No wick, 1-hour candlestick. Okay. Yes. Nothing too massive. Let's see. I missed about 2 trades, which is fine. I took a unnecessary loss, which is fine. Especially when you building conviction in your system. You gotta trust it, you know. Alright, let's go to 1 minute. Oh, I'm on a 5-minute. What the fuck am I doing? Reset the chart. Alright, let's see. 630 is right here. Let's go. Ooh. Why did it do that? Let's see if there's anything SMT here. No, really SMT. I'm telling you, this draw liquidity is very strong right here. The equal highs. Alright, let's see. Keep going. Playing candlesticks out. Not just gonna take this off the market open. That's a fake out. They just ask you. They just trying to grab money from you, bro. At this point. We got this unfilled 1-hour gap right here. Price is trending lower. Ooh. Hold on. No. I love the displacement, but we're like very close towards that low. What would the risk to reward look like for here for like a 1-on-1? I would take this for a 1-on-1. I would take it. Just because price is already like trending lower. We're after we're 15 minutes after market open, which is pretty good. There's no gaps I've seen price like do anything from. I will go break even probably a little earlier, or just let it run and see if I take a win or take a loss. And just see, Alright, let's take it. And this line is a 1-hour gap. Price is just bearish from market open. So looking at the 1 hour, you see this massive ass candlestick. Price already traded through this gap, so it wanted to target another level where we can rebalance from. 15 minute, it closed in there. 5 minute, it rejected off this level. If you trade ITT concepts, it's OB, but sometimes those don't work out correctly. I'm just going for a 1-on-1 here, and let's see if we can get something to play out. Oh, that's bad. That is bad, bro. 2 losses back to back. Don't like taking that. I don't know why it wanted to do that. It might go higher. Yeah, we're going higher for sure. We just edged that low. That's crazy. Wait, what did NQ do? I mean, yes, nothing. We just took out those lows. That's why. Very interesting. Very interesting. It look like we want to go to that fucking high. God damn it. I should have waited. Where we at right now? Oh, we're in a 5 minute gap. 15 minute. Let's see. Nothing in my eye that I'm seeing right now. 15 minute flip was beautiful, but there's like nothing. Well, we went into this gap right here. If this is strong though, I think it might be strong. Is there any S&T? Nothing too massively like screaming at my eyes right now. We might run that high, but then again, look at this. What is this? This is why I wouldn't take another trade. What is this? Alright, well, we're about to pass 9:30, so I wouldn't take another trade. And plus, I already took a loss, so I'm just going to skip the day, call it a day. We're back to damn near break even after my 2 wins. Unfortunate. Missed 2 trades. It's all good. Okay, so we edged that high, just making more higher liquidity. Like this shit is screaming buys. 4 hour. There's no significant target on the 4 hour besides these 3 equal lows, maybe. Yes. Okay, so, but I still see this gap right there. This is screaming price wants to buy. And how many weeks we've been here? We've been here since March, April. We're still in here in April. So we're just ranging on the 4 hour, but let's see if we can get a draw towards this high, or we might just go towards this low. So 1 hour gap as well. Let's see. Okay. Wait, is there news? I think this is FOMC. It is FOMC. God damn it. Okay. Let's see. With market open. Let me zoom this out some real fast. Okay, 6:30 open. I'll skip past it fast. Did I? No, I didn't. I thought I did. Okay, price is displacing higher from market open. Let's see if we get anything to come back down. I'm gonna need another confirmation off this instead of just taking this. I like that 3-minute gap, but nah, it's not screaming. It's not screaming anything. Okay, we're in a 5-minute gap here. Let's see what happens. Any SMT here? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay. I like stats. Targeting these equal highs. This is screaming buys to me, bro. I don't know why, but it is, and I'm going to take it from this displacement candlestick. If we fail, we fail. It is what it is. How many points is that? Only 50 points. We should be able to get there. Let's see. Target is high. This is a 1 to 3. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Going to take it. We fail, but it's a part of the game. I just like that 50. I like that 5-minute, 15-minute. We're just displacing 1 hour. There's nothing I think we can sell from over here. Price already filled like 50% of this wick. And this is just screaming, like, screaming, take me. Like, have you ever seen that before? Just take me. Alright, let's see. Okay. 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 That's crazy. Why did you just do me like this? Why did you just edge me like this just to go higher? Yo, you gotta be kidding me, bruh. What happened on ES? What caused that? Why would this happen? Well, we're in drawdown now, unfortunately. We got this 15-minute gap here. It's just like, it's edging these highs so bad. This is so bad. Watch FOMC get here. Look at this. That is mind-boggling. That is mind-boggling. I wouldn't trade this. And then even if I did trade it, it looks nice, don't get me wrong, but we came back down into this 5-minute gap. We wicked it, displaced this candlestick right here. Don't bear with me, guys. I'm still learning this shit. I'm not perfect in this shit, you know. But we finna get to make wise. We got there. Okay, it is what it is. Alright, let's see if we can get to that draw before FOMC. Will be fucking crazy. But we already took out those highs. I wouldn't want to target that right now. Probably at FOMC we might get there. I'm just gonna skip it all the way to FOMC. Let's see. Even already took a loss during this day. I don't know, and it's crazy. Why would I take a loss on this? How did I take a loss on this? That's crazy, buddy. That's crazy, buddy. FOMC look like it doesn't want to do nothing. this is shit. Look at this. This is all shit. Yeah. I'm going to give it quick. I would never trade. I wouldn't trade this. I already took a loss. I'm going to the next day. Okay. Let's see. So got this bullshit ass high. I took out my price action. We still got this unfilled gap. No wick candlestick. 4 hour. Nothing too major looking for sales here. That's my only. That's that's majorly my only draw right there though. Or probably this high too. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Skip some candlesticks. Play these out. This video won't fucking be hella long. Okay. We took out this low. Okay, what's that? And then, no, fucking just chop. 3-minute gap right there, but this is off market open. Something I would take, but I wouldn't take. Let me sit my ass up. We're only 50 points away. Wait, are we 5? What time is this? We're right there. We swept that low. 15 minutes. Let's see the higher time frame on ES. What level is this on ES? It's that high right there. Let's see if we gonna get some more confirmation. I love this displacement candlestick, at least towards this high. Would like to target to this high. That would be a massive win. I'm going to give this some more room. Wait, is there SMT? Hold on. Wait, if there's SMT, I can put my stop where it's at. I think you could call this. I think this could be SMT. I think so. Is it lower than this low though? It's like equal lows, and this is from that level. ES is going higher. Yeah, the reason why I will put my stop here lower just to make sure this S&T is intact, and I would like to target all the way up here. And let's see if we get some movement. If not, I probably should have waited. It is what it is though. Not perfect. Okay, we're running. I like this a lot. I might go break even here. This is a good trade. We'll just take profit out. Let's see if we took any highs on ES. We didn't take no highs out yet. I just want price to keep exploding higher though. 15 minute is very bullish. Let's see if we can keep exploding higher. Okay, I'm going to trail my stop just because this right here, don't want to be in this trade and miss out on profit, you know. Okay, what the fuck are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? 15-minute gap. We should explode now. This is so choppy. Okay. I like this. I'm going to move my stop higher. So, regardless of if it fails, this price will still hit my first target, but my full target is that gap. Let's see if we can get up there. This is so shitty. This is so shitty. Oh, fuck it. Ah, we just edged that high by how many points, bro? Like, what the fuck? 15 points, dude. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? That's because we was stuck at this high on ES. Can my Wi-Fi load, bro? Why are we stuck here? Explode. Now watch it explode now. I'm going to go back down. Small time frame. Watch this shit explode. Nope. This is just choppy. Like, we should have just kept running from here. Will we get to that target? No. Okay, I'm done with that one. Fuck it. It is what it is. Go to the next day. Ah, we smacked it. Motherfucker. We smacked it when, though? At 12 o'clock. I'm done trading around that time. I'm not finna be in the markets till 12. That's 6 to 12. That's crazy. That's like 5 hours on the charts, bro. You gotta get out the market at that point. You doing too much. Okay, well, since we're in this forward gap now, ES wants to be a little... Let me stop. Alright, we got this forward gap here. No definite targets higher because we're inside this forward gap here. Probably this 1 hour low. But since we're not at all-time highs, I'm not gonna be too, like, too demanding on this trade. And maybe this right here, but that's a lot of room, maybe. But we'll see. Let's play this out. Fuck you, yes. Fuck you, yes. It is what it is, though. I can't complain. I still took my first target. I hit my first target. Okay, 6:30 opened right here. We just did a fake out. Let's go to 1 minute on ES. Any SMT. I think you can say this SMT. Yeah. But if it's strong enough, let's see if it play. If it's strong, if it's not strong, it's not gonna take it. So from this high, which is this high. Wait, no. Oh, that's why I'm on a 3 minute. Hold on. Why the fuck am I on a 3 minute? Okay, hold on. Alright, let's see. So from this high, which is this, yes, to this high, which is that SMT right there, and then price this, took it out like that. This high. Yeah, okay, let's see. Let's see if this SMT is strong. But if not, it is what it is. Not tripping. Okay, maybe it is strong. Okay, I see a 5 minute gap there. Any targets? Definitely lower, besides probably this low. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. Nice little 5 minute gap here. I'm gonna just mark that out just to see if we get retracement. If we keep going lower. Okay, we just going up lower. I would wait some more though. Let's see if we get another displacement candlestick. Ooh. This is screaming at me. This is screaming. Wait. What the fuck's ES doing? Okay. I'm going to target 1 to 1 just to be on the safe side. Wait, this 4 hour gap right here. I'm still going to target a 1 to 1. Well, if anything, just go break even early. I just don't want it to edge this load and do some dumb shit. Where's my 101 at? I'm just gonna mark that out just so I can be on the safe side. Right there. Full target here though. Alright. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get some movement here, baby. Let's see if we get some movement here. I'll let the displacement candlestick. No. Don't do me like that. There we go, banger. I'm about to say, don't do me like that. This had to be like a 5-minute gap. Yes. Probably was in the trade a little too early. Would have never had to go through that drawdown period if I'd have waited, but it is what it is though. TP hit to the fullest, which is great. Okay. Alright, now we're going to the next session. Reason why I'm doing this video just to show you guys, like, keep going, my nigga. I'm still going. I'm still trying to, on my road to consistent at least 60% win rate a month and keep going, you know. So I'm just like, I'm not saying I'm fully mastered in the strategy, but just taking my time. This is a fucking month. Wait, what the fuck did I do? Oh, that was a Friday. I'm tripping. I'm about to say, why was I trading a Sunday? I'm tripping. All right, let's see. Wait, is this a Monday? No news Monday? Or is it a news Monday? The news came in at 5 o'clock. Oh, why the fuck do I still have this shit marked up over here? This video's finna be long as shit. We only halfway through the month, dog. What you doing, dog? You slow as hell. Nah, but it's all good, though. I'd rather be slow than being fast and rushing trades and doing dumb shit. This video finna be long as fuck. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. Let's try to speed it up a little bit, but I ain't doing too much. Alright, so price just exploded out this gap. Hit my TP level cleanly. Market opened up. Let's see if we can get to at least to this high. Is there a 1 hour high? Another high. This is another one right here too. Let's see if we can catch a little 101 today, if we can after this news release. Where's 630 at? 630 is right there. Okay. We just edged both sides of the marketplace. Are these equal lows? I see. What the fuck am I doing? Slow down. They are equal lows. Okay. 5 minute. Ooh. Look at this right here. This was pre-market, which is okay, but I like this displacement candlestick to target these equal lows. Like, we should just run. Let's see what the what's it called level would be though. The risk reward here. Oh, that's kind of shitty. I mean, I might put it right here. Is there an SMT at this high though? 1 minute. No SMT, but the draw liquidity is so strong. Like it has to go lower. It has to go lower to them equal lows. This is a whole new month for me as well, so we're gonna take it. Just take it. Fuck it. Let's see. Here's what it is. Game probabilities. Let's go. NQ. Bravo. Because I've seen conditions where price do this, and it'll edge you right there at that low and do some dumb shit, which is alright, but bravo. Let's shit. Skip the day. I'm done. That was a Monday, but it was a news Monday, not a no news Monday. So that's why I took the trade. Okay. Look at ES. I don't know why when I first started trading futures, I was trading this bullshit. I thought I was tripping. Alright. Okay. 1 hour. We're trending higher. The only target I necessarily see. This is shitty. Maybe these lows are equal, but we're still higher, so I wouldn't want to trade anything that I see going higher, like for lows. But if price can come back down, but let's see if I can find a target going higher. Let's see. I'm gonna let price play out instead of me talking too fucking much. 630 is right here. Slow your ass down, my boy. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if we get some more information on this trade. Ooh. Ooh, somebody called Mary Jane. Somebody called Mary Jane. Hold on, wait. There might be SMT because ES is taking its sweet time to get here. I think it is. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes, it is. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this choppy shit. I'm not gonna take this. I'm just gonna play another candlestick out and see if we continue, if the SMT is strong. Cause ES, this area right here was highs, and this area right there is lows. So I'm going to mark out this to this, and from here, ill to here, ill. I don't know, but I'm still trying to get the strategy down on the 1 minute time frame. All right, let's go. Okay, we edged that high. We took the high out. SMT wasn't strong at all. Okay, we're going higher, but where are we going higher to? Where, bro? Maybe this high right here? Maybe? Well, so that SMT wasn't strong at all. That shit was a fake out. That shit faked me out. What the fuck? Alright, let's see. Okay, let's go. Keep playing candlesticks out. Let's see if we can keep trending higher to go to that target. If not, I'm done with this day. Well, we went 1-1. I could have took this. I was just too skeptical on that SMT, but it is what it is. Okay, what's this? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, we're trending higher, which I like. I like that trending higher shit. Okay, let's see if we can get to that high. Come on, give me an entry before going up there. Where we at? 5 minute gap right here. Let's see if we get rebalance area into here and target that high. Let's see. Okay. I like the rejection off of it, but I wish it would have came a little deeper. 1 hour. We got 30 minutes to this 1 hour close. I feel like we gonna go. If anything, I'll go break even here. And we're still in our trading zone, so it's not like I'm doing anything wrong. I'm just being like, more discretionary on my trades instead of me just trying to rush everything. It's a 2 hour trade. Let's see if we can go break even quickly or get to that level, pretty smoothly. Let's see. Don't do no bullshit in NQ. Okay, break even. NQ, beautiful. Alright, reason why I took this trade though, at first I didn't know where we was going on a higher time frame, but seeing this 4 hour high, which is probably a swing high on the 1 hour. Yes, okay. 1 hour, 15 minutes, it's a swing high. Fuck it, I'm not finna go all the way back. But price, you can obviously see that we're bullish. Just bullish, even though these equal lows were prominent, but we're bullish. So, and I gave it some time to breathe instead of me just like giving up when we were inside this 4 hour gap right here. So Pretty good, pretty good. And that SMT that faked me out, thank God I didn't take a trade off of it. I think it was right here. Some choppy shit. But I could have took a trade off of here and target. That'd have been crazy. But it's all good. I'll take this. Next day. Go towards the next day. Alright, what's the next session? This video finna be long as hell. Fuck it. It is what it is. It's a Wednesday. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? We took out this high now. We have a 4-hour unfilled fair value gap. We took out that high. ES is trending higher too. No sell limit. What am I doing? Alright, let's just play some candlesticks out. Because we still have this definite high here too. So if anything, if we want to keep going bullish, I'll probably target that high. Oh wait. Ooh. Nah, I thought that was something. Wait for it. Wait for it. I think that is something, but I don't know if we can get there. If we can get there, that's cool. It's a no wick gap right there. But we'll see though. That's a lot of points. That's a lot of points. If anything, if we start trending lower, I'll target this low first. Alright, let's see. 6:30 is gonna open. Let's play them out. Okay, we're already trending lower before pre-market. That's pretty good. Okay, 6:30 is right here. Okay, let's see. Anything? 15-minute gap right there. Okay, we just like this shit. Okay, what the fuck is this? Okay, we're in a 5-minute. Let's see if we can get a displacement candlestick lower to go to that gap. But if not, we're going higher. Okay, I like this rejection. But I need more confirmation instead of just taking this. No, see what I'm saying? I need more confirmation, baby. Okay, look at that. Look at that. That is what I call master. Beautiful. And then we took out another high in there too. So I would take this. I'm going to take this. Not would take this. I'm going to take this. Fuck you talking about. Stop but is high. Targeting this low. So 101. Beautiful. Let's see what ES is doing on a 1 minute. There's SMT here. I think it might be. It is. Wait. It is. Yes. Now, can we hold this SMT? Can we hold it and go, you know, lower to my target? I think we could. I'm going to break even at this low. Swing low here. The draw liquidity is strong, and price is obviously bearish, especially from market open. We're just going lower, and then that 5-minute gap price came up, faked out a lot of traders. If I'd have got in too early right here, they came back down, and I like this displacement candlestick a lot better than that first one. Stop above this high just because of that ST there. Order. Let's see. Come on, baby. Let's play out. Trust the setup. Break even here. If it come back, it is what it is. It came back. What the fuck? I probably won't break even too early. It is what it is, though. I wouldn't break even too early. But you see that it necessarily worked, but I just wanted it to like run instead of coming back to my entry point and then targeting. Which is fine with me. Not tripping. Let's see if we get to that second leg. We do get down there. Wait, what was that draw liquidity again? Oh, that 1 hour gap. Oh, that shit was beautiful. Never mind. Wait. Oh, it is what it is. I'll just settle with the break even trade there. Go to the next session. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. What's today? Thursday. Let's see what ES looking like in a higher time frame. 4 hours. These highs, baby, the equal highs right there, or this low right here. Those are my two draws. What the fuck is this right here? Hold on. Let me zoom in on it. Let me see what it is. Nope, it's a white. It's a wick right there. It's still an unfilled fair value gap, but we have to break this low for me to target that low. So I'm just gonna leave those two draw liquidities right there and see which way we go. Which side you would like to trade to, NQ. We're going to this low. It looked like we're going to this low. Ooh. I would take this. Cause we might go into this gap as well too. So I would take this for a 101. Just because we're like displacing heavily and this low is just like screaming out sell. I will take this for a 101 here. High. It probably goes to this low. Should I target? Can I keep it on the bodies? I might keep it on the bodies. Keep it at that high right there. I'm only gonna target a 101. Not gonna be too greedy, cause I don't want it to edge me out or do some dumb shit. All right, let's go place order. What are we doing on NQS real fast though? Before I place this order, we're going lower too. S&T. That is what it is. Let's see if we can get a banger here. No, baby, why you edge me like that, dog? Why'd you edge me like that? Watch me get to that low. This is why I don't take trades pre-market. I mean, right at 6:30, bro. This is why, as you can see, this is why I don't. I should have gave it some more like room to breathe. Or yeah, that's my fault, honestly. I should have did this. Stop above this fucking high and should have went to 101 here. Damn it. Damn it, that would have been clean. God damn it, that's my fault. But it is what it is, though. I blame it on me. Can't blame it on markets. Alright, let's go. Next day, Friday. Try to run through this a little faster if I can. But I don't want to, do nothing stupid. This video's going to be long. I just know it's going to be an hour plus, for sure. Any levels? Let's just gap here. We got this low here. Is that a note? No. Alright, let's see. Where could we go? Above here, anything? And then we still got these equal highs all the way up there. But let's see first before I start jumping to conclusions. Alright, let's jump in 1 minute. We got our draws. Let's see if we can get to our draws though. 6:30 right here. Okay. Alright, one more candlestick. Okay. That looks clean, but you know how I feel about these 6:30 trades, bro. I feel like this comes with like experience. No, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I don't see no other level down here, bro. I don't. Probably maybe this low, but we already took that low out. Ooh. We hit a 5-minute gap, but since we swept that low, ES didn't. Well, it did, but it's trading below it. We're in a 5-minute gap here. I'm going to be a little more discretionary and just wait. I'll take that. But then again, should I take? Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I'll just target 101. Damn, the fuck. We're going lower. But ES. Hold on, ES just edged it. No, it didn't. Let's see. Well, we're just gonna let it play out and then see if we can get some movement. If we don't, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some in trading. It's a part of the game, bro. Good shit. I was finna go break even, but it's all good. I'll take that. Oh, hold on. Let me go back and explain why I did that. I could have took this one. I should have took this one. Not should have. I mean, could have. I should have. Right here. At this displacement candlestick, because price invalidated the fuck out of it. And then target this low. Would have probably had a higher RR. It was just the only reason why I was very skeptical is because we already took out that low, and I didn't want ES to do anything like sketchy, you know, to fuck me up. All right. Okay, where we at? We 23rd of it's a fucking Monday. I'm going to skip this day because there's no news. I'm going to play it out a little bit though and see what we do. I'm not going to trade it though. Wait, what is this? Nothing. Thought it was the data high. It's nothing. I'm gonna do a 5-minute. Fuck all this bullshit. Okay, what the fuck? There's really like maybe this, but I don't like trading Mondays. Well, we're displacing lower cleanly. What about this low? I'm probably gonna be second guessing myself to take this dumbass trade, but I'm probably not gonna take it. I just want to study it. Yeah, we already edged that low too. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you ain't gonna get me. You ain't gonna get me today. I'm not taking this. I'm moving to the next day. Alright, where are we at? Where are we at on the 4-hour? What we looking like? I see these highs right here inside this gap. So you see those fake ass trend line. Or these two lows right here. Depending on if price wants to continue selling or it wants to hold the range. Let's see what the day look like. The daily look like it's stuck in some type of consolidation model. Cause we took out that high. We could go low for run for those lows. Let's see though. We're gonna play it out. Yeah, we're gonna play it out. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, let me mark up this high just in case. Just so I can have another target to look at. Okay, 1 hour, 1 minute. ES, what are you doing? Nothing too prominent. Damn, this shit is 1 hour, 20 minutes. God damn. All right, let's go. Okay, market open, jumped, rallied from this 1 hour level. We still at this high too. We mark this out just in case. We might edge it or do some crazy shit here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Wait. Alright. Hold on. Let me go down 1 minute. What am I doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Alright. We have this low here too. But you know, the 4 hour is very strong. But then again, it could come do some bullshit, take that low out, and I didn't target it, and then reject off this 50% of this candlestick. Whatever the fuck ICT calls it, the CE of the 50 of that candlestick, of that wick. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Hold on, where we at? Where are we at? We just edged the. We just took the fuck out that low. God damn it! Right when I just said it. Right when I just said it. I could have took it. I should have took it. what we're gonna see though, we're in this 5-minute gap here, but I don't know if we're gonna keep going lower to 1 hour because we edged that low. What did ES do? I think it did the same shit. It didn't, but it bounced off the rejection block. Let's see. I'm just gonna keep playing candlesticks out. Just give me some more time. I like how we're rejecting like the 50% of that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay. All right, all right. It's just this to this is a lot of. Wait, no, it's not a lot of points. But I would take this and probably go break even here. But if we start doing some fugazi shit, it's because of this sweep of this low, bro. I just like how price rejected off that 50% of this fair value gap, which is clean. This would be a great setup. I would take this every day of the week. So I put a high. I would like to target all the way down here. We'll see though. I'm going to trail this down just because of that level. But let's see if we get some movement here. I'm going to go break even here, or at least trail it. We'll see. All right, we're there. Okay, 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 okay. That's what I'm talking about, Dom. Okay. Wait, hold on, my bad, y'all. Look at this though. This is textbook. Didn't I say this is why? This is why I love this shit. Okay, so price was obviously stuck in this level before we got here. 15-minute price was looking to go lower. I thought I missed a trade off of this to target that low, which is okay. This probably was the best trade I took. And then, you know, bang. But on the 4-hour, I had these lows marked out. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Low to 4-hour up, bro. I hate when the price does this dumb shit. Alright, but we had these 4 hours lows marked up, right? So this is the 4-hour low. And this is another 4-hour low. And then price just on the 5-minute, I dropped down. I let it displace a little bit more. See some candlesticks. And then seeing this displacement candlestick, price came up to it. And then as soon as I seen price come up to it, I went to the 5-minute. It didn't see this gap. See the gap? This wick to this wick gap. The right gap. And then seeing this rejection from it, dropping down to a 1-minute, seeing the displacement from it. Stop at the high. You know, put a contract there. Break even here. I went break even, and this displaced cleanly to my target. That's a textbook trade. Going to next day. Let's see if we can hit 10K this month. Alright, what the fuck is this? Okay, we got news right there. Alright. Oh my god, I hate when it does this. I can't even see the 4-hour. I might have to reload this shit back up. Hold on, let me do something fast. I'm just gonna reload this back up. Alright, we back at it. The 4 hours on some bullshit. They wanted me to load up. Alright, okay, we here. Alright, okay. I'm just gonna crop that shit out. Alright, okay. Okay. 4-hour. We got these lows here. Got those lows here. We got this low here too. 1 hour. Let's see if we got anything on the 1 hour. We got an unfilled gap here and here. I just want to see. Well, matter of fact, we got another unfilled gap here too. I want to see where price trades for though. Let's see. What size you want to go? What size you want to go for, baby? What size you want to go for? Let's go down to the 1 minute on here and see if we get some displacement. All right, let's go. It's gonna be a full edit. I mean, full video. I'm just gonna upload. I'm not gonna edit shit. I might just crop out this. I might just crop out the that. What's it called though? Come on, can you give me a retracement entry back to that low? Stall out. Okay. Give them equal lows. It's screaming equal lows. Ugh. Ooh, and there's S&T. Is that? Wait, hold on, hold on. No, it's not. Well, you could, nah, because this high is still higher than that. This high is still higher than that high. So no, I just see that prices just stopped it out. Um, it's just a pre-market trade. Well, not pre-market. It has no room to like go any lower. Should I take it? I'm going to take it. I will go break even when we get to these equal lows and see if we can get even lower. Either we take a loss or we go break even. It's fine with me. Let's go. Place this order, baby. Place this order, Dom. Okay, I'm break even regardless. We should run. There we go. Didn't I say we should run? We should run. The draw is too strong. We should run. I don't know what about April 2018, but this shit was beautiful, dog. The shit I'm trading right now, dog, in 2026, dog, this shit whack. I just played. Alright, we good. Next day. Oh, let me go back to explain why I took that trade. It's just common sense, bro. Price is just trending lower for the first 10 minutes of market open. It's just trending lower. Seeing a displacement candlestick. There's nothing like no other targets, but just seeing this fat ass fucking candle, like just fucking go lower, and these lows, these were equal lows. That's why I went break even a little earlier, and then ultimately target this low. But it is what it is. Good one. All right. Next session. Oh, hold on. Let me remove my drawings. All right. Okay. What's today? Thursday. We got news. Where's the news at? What news was this? Oh, that's 6:30. Oh, it's not even happening yet. Hold on. What the fuck is ES doing? Where the fuck are you at, bro? I'm not even looking at you. My bad. Okay. Alright. We got this gap that it got edged. And then we got this high. We got this gap too. Hold on. But the reason why I'm very skeptical on this right now, it's gonna be let price play out and see which side we want to deliver to. Let's see the 4 hour. That was a 15 minute. What the fuck am I doing in a 15 minute? Alright, we took out that 1 hour high. 4 hour time frame. Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna look for this low maybe, but we're gonna see because we're still in this 1 hour gap. Very, very prominent here. Let's just play out. When we got there before market open, let's just play these candlesticks out. We got news at 6:30 directly at market open. This shit might just do some fugazi shit and just bounce both sides. Okay. Okay. Look at that. See what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck target over here. Okay, I like that. Hold on, was there? It gotta be S&T, bro. It is. Wait. Well, we're gonna keep playing candlesticks out. Okay. We got this 1 hour gap here too, but I don't see it being strong. I see this might just come back down to this low, just because of this gap on the 15 minute, and we edged it. But let's see. I'm gonna keep playing candlesticks out. I'm not gonna just jump to conclusions here. Ooh, I might just target these lows depending on what this next candlestick does. Ooh, could I do it? Should I do it? I just don't like how we're stuck in this range. Wait, is there S&T here? Hold on. This high that took out. I don't know what the fuck ES is doing. Hold on, let me see the higher time frame. I just know that we're in a 4 hour gap. I would take this on this right here. but it has to like run. It has to run to this gap, like for me to take it, like realistically. What is the risk to reward though? Let's see what the risk to reward is. Cause I'll probably put my stop a little higher, like above here. I got a 101. The only reason why I really like this is because there's a 5-minute gap. No, there's no 5-minute nothing. The only reason why I really would take this trade is because that we tapped this high, we swept that high. ES failed to do it, so that's the SMT right there that I was looking for. That's the SMT I was looking for. Couldn't find on a higher time frame, so I'm going to take this hit because of the SMT. It should be strong. If it doesn't play out, then it wasn't that strong. It is what it is though. It is what it is though. Stop at the bodies of that high. Target on 101. Probably gonna break even around this low if we don't get, you know, any movement. But we should just displace. See? That shit wasn't high. That shit wasn't strong. Fucking whack ass conditions, dog. I just knew it though. I should have waited. Well, we're gonna play it out, see what happens. What the fuck? I don't know where the fuck you going now. I don't know where you going now. Unless you going to that high. It is what it is though. Take a loss. Yeah. Typical bullshit. We're going to the next day. Let me remove all these drawings first though. Remove all those drawings. Let's go to the next day. 4 hour, drop down. So we did take out that gap. But what time we took it out? We took it out. Very interesting, very interesting. Okay, I guess. Okay. I'll take that L. Take it to the 10. It is what it is. Okay. Right there. We got a low right there inside this fair value gap. We're trending higher, which is okay with me. You're not tripping. We have a unfilled daily gap there, which is this high, right? Ooh, hold on, wait. Let me see. Let me get a little closer. Yeah, boy. I see it. Right there, draw liquidity. That's probably the daily gap. Oh no, it ain't. But see, we getting there at one point in time. If we don't get there right now, we're gonna get there probably next week. All right, let's go though. 1 hour high. Any highs? This is the 4 hour high, right? The 1 hour high would be this high, or going towards this high. Did we take it out? We didn't take it out. Alright, let's see what we do first though. I'm not gonna skip and jump to conclusions. We're just gonna play candlesticks out. Oh, what the fuck? I probably moved too damn fast. Hold on. I didn't expect it to go that quick to that low. Oh, we're going to that gap on the 4 hour. Oh, we just edged it. Oh, we didn't edge it. We took it out. I'm tripping. Okay, where the fuck are we going now? Okay. Well, that's the bullshit. I didn't get no entry to it. That's fine. Sometimes the market does that. And this happened within the first 5 minutes of open. Okay, let's see. This video finna be fucking long, Dom. God damn it. Alright, there's no other levels for me to target though. Besides that, there's no other levels. Unless I see something that comes up into a like I said, a 5-minute gap. But the reason why it has to be like some clean displacement from here. Oh shit, it is. What the fuck? Okay, but this still doesn't scream like take it. Oh wait, what would a 101 be here though? There's no like. See, this is why sometimes this can be iffy, especially there's no draw liquidity. There's no draw. Maybe this 4 hour gap, but I'm not targeting all the way over there. I just want to see like somewhere level where price can reach. Let me see something real fast. Hold on. Let me see this. And we damn near the 50% of that candlestick. But then again, I like this trade right here. It's just risky. Let me see something real fast. How many points is that? Let me see something fast. I'm not gonna take it. I mean, I might take it, but we're gonna see. A 1-1. It's just screaming lower prices. What the fuck is NES doing? Is there any S&T here? So what's 1-1.6? I'm gonna go to 1-1. What the fuck am I doing right there? Ooh. How many points? 100 points, right? Or that's 10 points? No. Fuck is right here. Nothing. Fucking. Nah. I'm not gonna take this. I'm not. I'm just gonna play it out. If it plays out, it plays out. It is what it is. It is what it is. I just don't like that there's no major draw besides these lows. Wait. Hold on. This right here is an unfilled 1 hour gap. We're like on a 4 hour. Should I take it? I'm gonna take it. Fuck it. That's the draw liquidity right there. I'm going to take it. It's only a 1-on-1. If I take a loss, it is what it is. You don't be hesitant, nigga. You see this set it play out? Take it. Fuck it. Let's go. We in this motherfucker. Oh, I'm surprised that played out. But good shit. I'll take it. I'm surprised it played out, but it did. But then again, I can't be surprised. The displacement and everything played out well. It just, there was no like definite target for me to target. Alright, so, well, you see that live right there. Alright, well, move drawings, going to the next day. Next day is a Monday. We're going to skip it just off the rip. It's a Monday. Skip. Oh, that's the last of the day. That's it. Yeah. Let's look at these analytics. I almost got to 10K. That's good. Almost. Show me the analytics, baby. See what I'm saying? This is what I want my win rate to look like. I know I can do it. The Dom, just do it. You feel me? Just do it. That's what I'm telling myself. Just do it. Stop over fucking complicating this shit. 9K. You would have passed your fucking challenge in a month. Feel me? I had 10 wins, 5 losses. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's look at the days that I was profitable. Why the fuck does it look like this? Hold on. Let me go back. Okay, we go back to it. Okay. The profit factor is amazing. I love that. 1.4 to max point is great. Good shit. Alright. Drop down. My best day of the week was Tuesday. Thursday, I'm surprised is bad. I fucking hate fucking Wednesdays. Friday pretty good for me too. Alright, but look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I would like to look at. I don't know why I took 2 trades right here. I told myself 1 trade, not 2. 1 trade, not 2. But yeah, so this is ideally what I want to be at going forward. Trading futures. April 2018. I just started trading futures in January, so this is my first year trading futures. But I've been trading FX for the past 5 years, so I know market conditions, but this is different using contracts versus using lot sizes and trading within the time frame. But I like the prop firms. It's a lot more better. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is ideally what I'm looking for. It's only 6% gain, but you see on a 150K account. Beautiful. Well, let's end the video here. This shit is fucking long. Appreciate you guys. Watch this fully if you want to learn some shit, because I'm still learning at the end of the day. Yeah, let's go.